To replace the WOOP sign-up process, you need to understand the current system and identify the requirements for the new system. First, start by reviewing the existing sign-up process and identifying the key components such as user information collection and payment processing. Next, determine the goals and objectives for the new sign-up process, such as improving user experience and increasing conversion rates. Based on these goals and objectives, research and evaluate different alternatives such as using a third-party service or developing a custom solution. Once you have selected the new system, implement the necessary changes to the website or application. This may involve updating the user interface and integrating with the new system. It is also important to test the new sign-up process to ensure it is working correctly and provide a good user experience. This includes testing for functionality and usability, as well as ensuring that the system is secure and compliant with relevant regulations. After testing and implementing the new sign-up process, monitor its performance and make any necessary adjustments. This includes tracking key metrics such as conversion rates and user engagement, and using this data to identify areas for improvement. Throughout the process of replacing the WOOP sign-up, it is essential to prioritize the user experience and ensure that the new system is easy to use and provides value to the users. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully replace the WOOP sign-up process and improve the overall user experience. It is also important to consider the potential impact on existing users and to communicate any changes clearly and transparently. By taking a structured and user-centered approach to replacing the WOOP sign-up process, you can minimize disruption and ensure a smooth transition to the new system.